In last video we discussed about GPT 3.5 Turbo API, and in this video we are going to discuss about its pricing. As you can see here on OpenAI website about the pricing of all of their APIs. So here we can see that GPT 3.5 Turbo is priced at around 0.002 per 1k tokens, and while we did the last video, only this API was there, and after that they launched GPT-4 also and its APIs also, and you can also see its pricing here, GPT-4 pricing. And if we compare pricing, then we can clearly see that GPT 3.5 Turbo is cheapest. So if you want to go for a cheapest option, or we can say if your task is just which can be done using GPT 3.5 Turbo, then it is better to go with this. And as you can see, 0.002 and 0.03, so there is a lot of difference between its pricing, and it's also it's go up to 0.12 also, and it's around more than around 30x cheaper if we compare to GPT-4. As you can see, there are pricing based on per 1k token, and whenever we use these APIs for our applications or for any functionality, then our main goal is also to use less and less tokens, as much less as possible. So in this case, if we first of all if we compare with other models, then DaVinci was the most powerful model, and its price was 0.0200, and ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo is 10 times cheaper than that. So it is best to use this model, and for some kind of task we can use GPT-4 model also. And if we go for GPT 3.5 model, then it works something like this. We can see in a screenshot. So here it shows tokens also, means whenever we call the GPT 3.5 Turbo API with all of our messages, these things we discussed in last video, it also sends us uses response. So here it tells us how many prompt tokens we have used, how many completion tokens we have used, and total of it. So based on it, its pricing gets calculated. So one of our task is to make it use less and less tokens possible. So there are two solutions for it, means there can be many other solutions, but two of the most popular solution for it can be that whatever the prompt that we do, prompt means all these messages of user assistants and system messages, all of these in combined, their token number should be as much less as possible. So this prompt design we can do in such a way that whatever task we want it to perform, it must be done within less and less words, because based on words tokens get calculated. Another solution we can do is to while calling this API, whatever the common words are there in any message, and if we want to do same type of prompts again and again, then we can send the prompt in a parameter type of way, and for different requests we can send the parameters in the one request only, and the common words can be combined in one request. So in that case it will not calculate the common words for each request, and it will result in less number of token uses. So we will be working more with the ChatGPT and OpenAI and all of their products like ChatGPT plugin, which was recently introduced. And so in our next videos you will get to know more about ChatGPT plugin and other things possibly.